So come and join me just for a little walking tour of the Palm Beach Shopping Centre. It's located right next to the Hotel Troya. And it's opposite the beach. So let's go and have a quick look inside to see what's here. Got some bars, restaurants, some gift shop at the end over here. Let's have a look inside. Oh, that's the cheapest towel I've seen in Tenerife. €3.50. That's madness. These are your vapes and what have you. So for tattoo. Walk down this side. I will come back down here in a moment, but I'm just going to go down this side first.